Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do a share screen through Zoom applications on your online meeting. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Zoom application and make sure that you're already using your account here. And to share the screen, there will be like an options. There will be like this part right in the top right corner, but then since you have been like joining the meeting, you need to entering the meeting ID to join into the online room. So here in this tutorial, I would like to show you through the meeting first. So let's just create a new meetings and start the meetings right away. Now we just need until the room meeting is ready. And whenever it's ready, now is the time to do the next tutorial, which is you just need to tap the screen until you activate the function on the tone side here. And to share screen, you just need to like slide these features into the left side and then just tap this share features. And now there will be like a lot of options pop up on your screen. You can just click the screen if you want to share the whole activity that you do in your phone, or you can also choose another options down side here. So if you want to share screen, go click the screen right away. So since I do this screen record, so I cannot, or I am not able to do the share screen, but in summary, that is the way how to do a share screen on your Zoom application. So that's for tutorials today, guys. Hopefully it's really helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.